Saving images from website is annoying. You right click, save one by one, lose track what you downloaded. Image Downloader Pro fix all of that. Open it, scan the whole page instantly. Pick the images you want, hit download, that's it. Then you can filter by size. For example, the size preset here 150 px, that means the pixel, and here is the small sizes like below 150 pixel. Even you can filter from here the wide and the height. Also you can scan the multiple tab. You see there is a lot of tab open here, so you can scan all the tab at once, or you can paste the URL link. For example, if I copy the URL link from here, copy link address and paste it from here, and you see there is a preview, and you can download this image directly from here. Also there is a convert option, so this is the super feature of this extension. So you can upload any images from your PC. So basically most of the people struggling in HIC format, because most of the Android mobile not supported HIC format, something like the old Android mobile. So you can convert HIC format from here. Also if you select any images from here, like for example, if I select this image, you select and you see the one image selected, and I can download it from here. Also we can customize the size of the images. So we can, there is lots of ratio here, so you can pick any of this and just click download. Even you can unlock the ratio and you can convert and resize any width and height. Also there is option is capture. You can capture any portion of your website, for example like this. It directly download on your computer. Also there is the dark mode and the light mode. Also you can setting all the default option. For example, the themes, default view, resolution, ascending, descending, also download prefix. So download, what is the download prefix? The download prefix is something like if you download anything from here, for example, if I select this image and I can convert it into the 1:1 and download. So if I download this image, you see the prefix is here like oddlinks.com. You can change the prefix from the settings. Also the by default convert option is PNG or WebP original. We can save it by default option. Let's go back to the Image Downloader Pro, the page, the single pages image. Here you get a lot of filters. Like, so the initial filter is file type. So if you remove the file type, so you get only the file type, you get only the single file type. For example, here we remove all of those and just select the PNG, and we get those PNG options. And so even we can reset the filter, so then everything come back again. Also we can filter by resolution, so file size, resolution, smart shorter. Also there is a quick filter, so we can select useful images, reset filter, and here is the button. Its call name is ascending, descending. So we can descending and ascending the images, so that the small images and the big size images coming with the first order and the last order. And there is an option call name is list view and the grid view. You can see the images by list view, also the grid view. And there is a dark mode available, so you can explore the extension by dark mode. And here's the light mode. Also there is different types of scanning, and here is the close button. I believe this extension can save you time and help you regular day-by-day work. Thank you.